Now there are various options in ease of access center. We will study one by one and learn about it. So the first option that what I am going to discuss, that is start magnifier. So the magnifier is used to enlarge the font, the icon or the whatever on the screen up to an extent. So with the help of the magnifier you can see the smaller things also. So in the similar way this magnifier works. So when you click on the magnifier option you can see that like this, everything on the screen gets larger. From the minus point you can decrease the size. With the help of the plus option you can increase the size as much as you want. And when you have this icon on the screen and between this after you can see the arrow buttons, when you click on it you will have this dialog box, and with the help of dialog box you can adjust the sign as you want. So with the magnifier, the people who are suffering with a sort of visual impairment may able to see the screen and read the sentences, the icons, whatever is written on the screen. So this option is useful for the people who is visually impaired partially or suffering with any other eyesight problems. Now the second option on the screen is start narrator. So the work of narrator is to read out everything aloud, that whatever is written on the screen. So this option also work for the people who is visually impaired, means who is not able to read that whatever is written on the screen. With help of this option everything can be learned. As you can see a small voice that is coming from the laptop, you will be able to know with the help of start narrator the computer read everything, read aloud.
Windows view narrator reads aloud tool tip. Start narrator tool. Windows view narrator reads aloud.
The next option is start on screen keyboard. When you click on it, there is on screen keyboard will appear, and you can do your work with the help of this keyboard and the mouse button. So the people who are physically impaired and those who are suffering with any type of organ loss may also work on the screen with the help of this on screen keyboard. Next option is set up high contrast. This option is used, or this utility is used to increase the contrast in the color to reduce eye strain by making things easier to read. So this is also used for the people who is visually impaired. There are many others option available with these four options. As you can see on the screen, there are explore all settings head, and under these head there are variety of options are given. So you can make your work easier with the help of these options. Like that, when you click on the option make the computer easier to see, when you click on it you can see there are many other options available, like contrast option. You can change the contrast, you can turn on the narrator, you can turn on the audio description, you can change the font and text icon, you can also turn on the magnifier. So all these options are again used for the visually impaired people who wants to use the laptop or the computer but unable to see everything on the system as we can use or we can see. So these options can be used. The next option, as you can see, that is use the computer without a mouse and keyboard. So with this option you can turn on the on-screen keyboard, so that if you are working on the laptop or any system and for example if your keyboard is not working properly, so you can use the on-screen keyboard as I had shown in the previous video. So with the help of this keyboard you can complete your work, and you can also avoid the use of mouse with the help of the speech recognition system. In this system you will just speak and everything can be there on the system. For example, that in the WhatsApp there is a feature that you can speak out and everything you can say in the written in the chat box. The next option that you can on the screen is that, as you can see, there are many other options like make the mouse easier to use. Just click on it, and you can have many other options. If you want to change the mouse size of the mouse pointer, the look of the mouse pointer, the color of the mouse pointer, you can see from here, and you can change the mouse keys as you want. Normally the mouse keys are set that when you want the left click, the things are defined for the left click, the things are defined for the double click, and the general things are also defined for the right click. But if you want to change these definition, you can also change it in your individual system as you want. So with the help of these options, the computer can be used by the people who is any type of suffering with any type of impairment and any other issues.